Hello guys, Rob here. I got something really cool for you in this one, and that is a new feature on blocks.io. What is it? Well, up here at the top, right next to Rex, you see DEX. If you click on DEX, you get this page. And right off the bat, it looks a lot like new DEX, and that's because it is new DEX. Up here at the top, you can see new DEX, YOLO, EOS DEX, FindDEX, Equilibrium. So already 5 EOS DEX exchanges listed here that you can trade on through blocks.io, and I expect they'll be adding some more here as well. So new DEX is selected, so we are on new DEX. You can see here the full new DEX exchange. Currently on the Telos to EOS market. After logging in with your wallet up here, place an order just like you would on new DEX, and let's say you want to do some arbitraging and you found a good opportunity on FindDEX. Click on over to FindDEX. FindDEX loads up, and there you go. Place the order, do the arbitrage trade, pick up some coins, sell some coins, head on back over to new DEX, and rinse and repeat the process. I always love a good arbitrage opportunity between the EOS DEXs, and now blocks.io has made it super easy, just a click away, changing in between 5 EOS DEXs at this point, and hopefully more to come. You got the big daddy of them all, new DEX, YOLO, EOS DEX, FindDEX, and Equilibrium at this point. So go check it out and give it a try, blocks.io/DEX, or the DEX button up here, which makes it one click easy to switch between exchanges. There you go, guys. That's it for this one. I just found out about this and just wanted to quickly share it with you guys. But that's going to do it for me for this one. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Follow on Twitter, linked in the description. But that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next one.